What's up, guys? Rand with Glass of Detail here. We got us another ceramic coat today. This one is a 2023 GMC, the AT4 HD. We are not doing full paint correction. It's pretty new. Customer didn't want that, so we are going to give it a lifetime coating with System X Max. Ian has already washed this. Now we're going to get it dried and coated. Basically, take an air hose, you start blowing in the crack, and you wipe it as you go. That's really about it. So what this does is it allows us to coat the rig without having to worry about water getting on it, because you can't get it wet for the first 24 hours. If you got a bigger area like this, you don't want to use a compressor, get yourself something like this. That's so much easier. Nice thing about living in the desert is this dries really, really fast. In Oregon, you'd be doing this for 2 hours. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a couple spots here that bird pooped. One is right here, another right here, and another right here. Extremely difficult to get out. It looks like it's been sitting there for some time. I think it actually etched in the clear coat. So I'm going to try to polish this out, see if that comes out. If not, well, it is what it is. All right, guys, I've got this little, it's a heavy polish pad. It's a green. It's in between the yellow and the blue from Chemical Guys. We're going to just see if this lightens up these spots a little bit. And that looks like it didn't touch it. So it's probably in there for good. So I'm going to text the client in the spirit of keeping things honest and let them know that we can't do anything with those. Hey, just a heads up, where those bird droppings were, it etched your clear coat and we can't get those out. We can still coat it and everything will be protected. Just wanted to give you the details. So Ian is getting this wiped down from with alcohol. Sorry we don't have a good visual here, guys. It's a very cramped space. Normally I don't like to do ceramic coating in the sun. In this case I don't have a lot of options, so we're going to coat this real quick and then work our way up towards the front. Again, guys, we use System X Max G. Pretty kick butt product, lifetime warranty. Unfortunately, you have to be a certified installer, which we are. So far with this System X Max G, we've had pretty good luck in the sun. So we're gonna give it a shot here. Wipe it on, nice and even. It's so hot, it's already flashed. We're gonna just wipe it off. And actually, that looks pretty good, guys. I don't think, let me see if you can see this here. I'll move you over this way. You guys see the line? Looks like it's sticking pretty well. Oh yeah, this tonneau cover is hot in the southern Nevada desert sun. At least it's not 120 out. I think it's just gonna work. That's a good day. You guys watching or other YouTubers and you guys want to get together and do a video with us, hit us up. I'll leave my contact information in the description. We'd love to get together with you guys. There's a charity event too. We'd love to participate with you. So I'm really trying to get these spots in the sun real quick. Now, guys, I have not seen a better product. I know I keep saying this, than System X Max G. This product, it installs easy, super smooth. It's 30% shinier than their previous lifetime product. And I'm really impressed with it now in the sun. This thing is really, it's pretty awesome to watch. It's applying great. I think it will, I'm sure it will last a long time. Guys, I've tried probably 15 different ceramics. Can't say they're all bad, but I can say so far this has been the best. Oh, man, that is warm. You guys didn't see that, right? So this even adds a little bit of shine. Hopefully you guys can see that on the video. You can see where I've hit and where I haven't. Pretty awesome stuff. So this can't get wet for 24 to 48 hours, and it can't be washed again for at least 7 to 10 days. I don't know if that's good. It's smoking. That tells you how warm it is, guys. I don't know if you can see it. The steam on this is, it's something, all right. Again, another testament to System X. I think they really got it together on their Max G. Let me correct that. They didn't get it together. They got it going on with this product. They've had it together. They're a great company. Super responsive, always good to work with. Nationwide warranty, so if you do move, this warranty goes with you. It is also Carfax certified. Dude, this top, guys, is so warm, it actually burns my hands through these rubber gloves. Again, I don't recommend doing this, but the sun goes this way, and it is just gonna get worse. So we gotta just get it done quickly, and it'll turn out all right. I don't like being this rushed when I'm doing a job, but like I said, circumstance is what it is, and so we'll just roll with it. So it's already starting to flash. But with System X Max G, you want it to all sort of be ready to wipe down. So, and this product is so good, you can actually wait a little bit, and it's still fairly easy to wipe off. Start wiping that.
You can get any of this.
I was just kidding, seeing if you're paying attention. See, guys, always work with somebody smarter than you. Okay, guys, take the edge of your towel, get it in these spots. You don't want to reuse your towels. They start to harden and will actually scratch the rig down the road. If you're unsure if you've gotten a spot, just make sure you overlap it. It's always good to check each other's work. Check your pride at the table. It don't matter. If we miss a spot, we miss a spot. All that matters is the job gets done and done right. And guys, this is smooth. It even smooths out your plastic. This is a really, really cool product. All right, guys, so you sort of get the idea. I'm going to get my camera out of the sun before it shuts off, and we'll fill you in when we move inside. Sorry if I show you guys plumber's crack. It's not on purpose. Okay, so now that we're out of the sun, we don't have to move at such a fast pace. Okay, so as I've explained in our prior videos, this, when you're installing ceramic, you're waiting for it to, it's called flash. And what that does is basically you're waiting for it to change in some form or another. And with the System X Max G, you wait for the whole thing to change before you start wiping it down. Each product's a little bit different. The idea is roughly the same in theory, but each product has its own way of working and its own install. So make sure you guys either speak with a professional before you do it yourself, or have it done by a professional if you're not comfortable doing it yourself. This is the stuff we actually know, guys. So all the other stuff, yeah, we try. If you get some on the window, it's not the end of the world. You can always cry about it. That's what we do. We just don't show that on camera because we want to be tough. Yeah, pretty basic video here, but it does give you guys a good idea of the process of ceramic coating your rigs. Again, this System X Max G, guys, there is not a better product on the market. It wipes off so smooth, it goes on so smooth. 30% shinier, it's more slick than any ceramic I've ever used. Pretty bold claim to say 30% shinier, but guys, I guarantee you this product is 30% shinier. The cool thing about ceramic is you take it out into the sun, and when you're all done, it just looks like glass. Dude, I forget how much work this is. On a small car, we'd be done. not like half done. So I know there's a lot of you guys out there that know how to do this. If you got any pointers, we'd love to hear it. Let me know some of the cars. Send me some pictures in my email. I'll leave a description there. glassitdetail1@gmail.com. That's glassitdetail1@gmail.com. Send me some of the pictures of some of the rides you guys have done. Dude, I have almost gone through a whole bottle. Usually a whole bottle, this guy's does a whole truck. This is not cheap stuff. So if you like this kind of video, guys, let us know. Not snow, let us know. It doesn't snow here. Let us know. We'll try to do more. Watch some of our other videos if you like watching a train wreck when it comes to putting stuff together. That would be us. We definitely step outside of our box. But we're learning in the process, and I think it's healthy. We're not near as good as Fab Rats at building, but we can make things shinier for sure. If you guys are interested in having this done to your car, hit us up. We'll hook you up. Mention this video, we'll give you 10% off. We're located in the southern Utah, southern Nevada area, and we are set up to go mobile. Do we have any more information for our infomercial?
We could do like a segment on like Ian's millennial song of the day.
And then I've got to listen to it?
Yeah.
That could be 10 seconds of pure stuff. These millennials, man.
You and your audience can be like, that's just awful. And I can just sit there like, yep.
I'm good. Like, yeah, he was really high when he wrote this. Yeah, I could tell.
Yeah.
Yeah, because no sober person would write this. I call like the screaming music. It's called kick a puppy music because it makes you want to kick a puppy.
Really?
And nobody wants to kick puppies. We love puppies.
Screamo relaxes me. It reminds me of my home life, so I feel very, comfortable. I don't actually know the reason that it makes me so comfortable, but I just like saying that because it makes people look at me weird.
It probably was your home life. Same energy, at least. Ian grew up not really on a farm, but kind of on a farm. Is about, what, 6 acres or something? 6, 7 acres. We're somewhere around there. And he grew up with his World War II grandpa. His mom is, 40 years old when she had you?
Yeah.
So he grew up with his World War II grandpa, who was 80 years old. They didn't work in the field, they didn't eat. And they never really knew why they were working. It was just get up and go work. Ian got a gift at 14 years old on his birthday. And it was a job.
Yeah, it's like a real job, so I could get money for working.
Yeah, at least then he got paid. Hey, at least he knows how to work. That dude will do circles and not complain and still show up the next day. I would call him and be like, hey, are you sick today? He'd be like, no, I'm fine. I'm like, are you sure you're not sick? Because I wanted a day off. He's like, no, I'm good. Let's go work. Dang it. And I was the boss, guys. I own the company. I was just looking for an excuse to get out. Hope you guys appreciate what we do for you. Filming while working, it's tough, man. It makes the project go longer. And then we have to edit it, and hopes you guys like the video. I mean, we're pretty funny guys, so I don't know why you wouldn't. We're humble too, so.
Yeah, we gotta like pretend like we're funny.
Yeah, pretending we're funny is so much funner. Because at least we laugh at ourselves. I do at least.
I've never laughed before, but.
Oh, yeah, Ian's never laughed. I got a smirk out of him once.
Yeah, when most babies are born, they start crying. I just sat there staring at the doctor and everyone in the room.
Yeah, but to your credit, you came out with a mustache. And you didn't sat there crying or staring. You took off running down the hall. Get me away from this woman!
I was born 2 weeks early.
That would explain a lot.
Here I'm just changing the diaper of the truck. That's what they call this, right? The diaper is the dirtiest part.
Yeah.
Where all the dirt goes.
Yeah. That's because it's like close to underneath.
Yeah.
For those of you that don't know.
Alright guys, so right here we're getting the grill. The grill is one of the most obnoxious parts on any car or truck because you have all these grooves and you have to remember where you've gotten.
Oh.
It's to be extremely meticulous and just basically go in a pattern that you'll remember where you've been so that you don't miss anything.
Dude, that was pro.
Yeah, I know, I'm pretty good, right?
Yeah. Like, I like how it was monotone with like no emotion. But very well informed. Very informative.
Yeah. Yeah, the monotone adds a good,
It's a different level of seriousness.
Yeah, it's like a good contrast to the normal.
Yeah.
Most YouTubers are all happy and excited. We don't need that around
This
here.
is my happy and excited place.
Yeah, we don't really do that around here.
Look, we want to be sad and depressed, okay?
Yes.
I'm so happy right now. What's that saying? A bad day of ceramic is better than a good day in construction? Is hydrophobic, does that mean like it's scared of something?
Well, obviously.
That's what I thought, because this stuff is extremely hydrophobic. This must be like scared of water. What's it do when it rains?
It'll start shaking.
They're big and tough until it rains. Hey guys, we're just finishing up this truck. We've got it all ceramic coated. I wanted to show you guys this though. 132. Got Ian finishing up the wheels, and we're gonna pull this outside, walk around it real quick, and then we've got to get to a school event for my kids. All right, guys, there it is, all ceramic coated. Looks pretty good. Took us 2 guys about 6 hours. We got everything coated, the windows, the tonneau cover. Turned out pretty nice. Got all the plastics coated, the mirrors, the headlights. If you guys are looking to have your car coated, give us a shout. We service Southern Nevada and Southern Utah. I will leave our contact information in the description. So guys, we'll catch you on the next one.